So another day, another quick update. Yesterday's progress. Window on. We decided to do a little painting around, so if we're putting the silicone on, then kind of has a little bit of colour in case we can't paint over the silicone. The rest is as it was previously, but let's go around the corner. Again, couldn't call anything because it was raining. But yeah, today is quite a nice day actually. So let's go underneath here. So we've managed to do all the sides, apart from a few at the bottom. So this is the progress so far. We're keeping the tarpaulin on just in case it starts raining again. But so we'll see how much we can get done. Let's see if I leave you like that. Gonna go and bring some material over. So this is the working conditions today. Let's get it through.
Level.
Oh, yeah.
Down
Should we see how much space is left as well at the back? Or you want to line it up with the purlins or the ceiling things? Do you get me?
about level. Yeah. You're saying, can we fit one in there?
Yeah. Or is it?
Well, we can tack one in. We can always pull it out.
Okay,
It'll
let's
come
do
out,
that.
won't it?
Yeah, let's measure that. Yeah.
We know it'll come out. That's pretty good. Yeah, if we're happy on that side.
Yeah.
Sing there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. We could just put it there and make sure it fits.
That's the post, I'm pretty sure of it.
Yeah. So we haven't.
Yeah. There's a couple of millimetres. Good
Okay.
clearance.
All good then.
So.
Okay. Let's.
I can feel it hitting against something,
Yeah.
and it's only shallow, so hopefully the post.
Yeah. And not much space.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go for it then.
Couple of mil. 2 or 3 mil.
You want to put more nails in or? We carry on.
That big wet patch just somewhere up there. I'd seen it earlier. So we're on the front of them.
Well, it's come off now.
I hope so, because we're giving a shower that I don't want.
Have I got my?
Yeah, because this massive gap.
Oh, I can't see
You
that.
need to push.
Further up, is
That's
it?
why. Because it's not got up enough.
I can pull it like that.
Too much.
Like that?
Bit more. But no, maybe that'll be right. Don't want to go too much.
No.
Got an odd board here, but looks like it's nice level. I'd
Okay,
say.
let's go for it then.
Got it.
Too few lower ones?
Hmm?
Too few lower ones because otherwise we're going to go over. No, you don't get
I know
it.
what you're saying. You're saying should we go back over there? Oh no.
Moving up?
Over that way, yeah.
Yep. I'm going to go and get some more blanks then. Oh. Bang bang.
Okay. The bang bang.
Yeah.
It was fitting before, so unless we've got a slightly longer plank, maybe that one's short as well.
Is it not going?
It's fitting in.
Okay.
No, it's pretty level actually, that one. Big gap, mind.
That needs to go up, is it?
Yeah. Maybe we start taking bookings for this. Like sort of like my, like a service office or Airbnb.
Coming off the box then after that. Good.
We're coming back now, are we?
Yeah, from here.